Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Chrysler 300 front grille. This process typically requires removing the entire front bumper for proper access. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. A trim removal tool set is also very helpful for safely prying plastic clips. Remember to have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to protect your bumper once it's off the car. Now, let's get to detaching the front bumper. Begin by removing all the plastic push pins located across the top of the bumper and inside each wheel well. Next, use your 10mm socket to unscrew the bolts that secure the bumper to the fender on both the driver and passenger sides. Before completely pulling the bumper away, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for your fog lights and side markers. This ensures no wires are damaged during removal. With the bumper now detached, gently place it on your prepared soft surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Now you can clearly see the grille. You'll find several Phillips head screws holding the grille firmly to the bumper fascia. Remove all of these. After the screws are out, carefully inspect for any additional plastic clips or tabs that might still be securing the grille. Gently release these to fully separate the grille from the bumper. For reassembly, align your new grille with the bumper and secure it using all the screws and clips you removed earlier, working in reverse order. Before putting the bumper back on the car, remember to reconnect all electrical harnesses for your fog lights and side markers. Finally, carefully reattach the bumper to the vehicle, ensuring all 10mm bolts and plastic push pins are securely fastened. Double-check everything for a snug and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.